My name is Lev Katsouba. I work at Draft Choice. I'm the CEO and head draft specialist, overseeing and supporting our field tech team. And I'm always out installing new draft systems, as well as providing training courses for bar and restaurant staff. My first homebrewed beer was handed to me when I was about 20 years old. And right there and then, I knew I wanted to know everything about it. I started brewing beer day and night with my dreams set on a brewery. But along the journey, I got involved in the behind-the-scenes, hands-on of what goes into getting that perfectly crafted pint poured. What I saw was absolute neglect. And knowing how much hard work goes into making a great beer, I knew I had to do something about it, and I've never looked back. I've worked in this field for 7 years now. I started working at a small craft beer distributor, getting to know different beers in the community. And it's been a long journey from there. And since then, now with Draft Choice, I've installed many highly acclaimed breweries such as Hill Farmstead, Grimm Ales, Brooklyn Brewery, Vale Brewery, and more. Being a home brewer from the start, I have the respect and knowledge of what goes into making a beer. Paired with the training from the top industry courses and professionals, I'm always ready for any challenges.